If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. It's Baba Friday guys, so I gotta give you guys a Baba video on Friday. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Looks like really nothing has changed for a while because we're kind of just moving sideways at this like $90 level, but I'm still seeing bearish signs on the chart. So let's go over that right now. So overall the pattern is still a range. You can see that if I connect the swings, drag it up, it's going to make it yellow. It's going to make this range yellow to see the price action clearer. Failed breakout on the bottom side, failed breakout on the top side, came back inside the range, bounced a couple times from the midline, broke below it, came back up, found resistance, bounced again from this $90 level, came back up, found resistance at the EMA. So we're making lower highs, but right now we're making equal lows. So it looks like it's kind of like a descending triangle, but most likely it's going to break to the downside because that's the bias. Let me go ahead and connect the swings. So this is the channel right here. We have not seen a new low of yet. So we did test the low at the $88 level. We came pretty close, made a triple bottom, but we're not seeing any buyers, aggressive buyers at this level to move the market higher. So most likely we're just going to drop down, fill in this gap right here, come back to the bottom side of the range, and maybe even eventually a new low of this entire downtrend. The measure move target is also lower. Let's take a look at that right now. So this is the first leg down. Let's go and clone it. It's the same size. And if I drag this down, we're in the formation of the second leg. It's just taken a lot longer than the first one, and the target is at the 79.65 level. So everything is still pointing down in my eyes, and I would not be expecting this trend to reverse until this downtrend has played out. So that's everything I see in the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Alibaba. Let's go and put the overall pattern on here, which is very important. You can see that we had the first break of this pattern, but prices fell right through that EMA again after a two-legged correction. You can see this was the first impulse up, second impulse up right at the tip of this arrow. We had a hard time passing through it, just very similar to SoFi. Looks like we're coming back down to retest the lows at that $75 level, $73 level. Most likely we're going to break it. So basically what this means is that traders are not looking to bid up the price unless the downtrend has been played out. It's just a very low risk trade to trade with the trend and more profitable. So traders are just going to continue to short this market at every opportunity until they see the pattern complete. So the good news is that the pattern is about to be more complete than it has before in the past. So probably within this year, I would be confident that we can see a bottom after we make a new low of this downtrend. Then we could probably see the price action flatten out and maybe even see the formation of an uptrend. So until this new low is made, we still be bearish, especially now that we just pushed through the EMA and we're struggling to go back up. So very bearish signs on the chart. Overall, Baba long term is probably still good. I mean, obviously the earnings report shows that. Looks like they're probably struggling a little bit over there in China, but not too bad. So I think once this downtrend is played out, we could probably start seeing prices flatten out or a reversal. So this is pretty much just a whole entire just technical trade. This stock is just moving based off of technicals, which majority of the time I believe all stocks are. But this is definitely just technicals. I mean, Alibaba is at 238 billion market cap, and the revenue is just insane year over year. So it does not make any sense why we should be trading at these levels. But technical analysis can explain pretty much everything you see on the price chart or for the stock, because it makes sense why we should continue down. I see these patterns play out numerous times. Looks like a lot of other stocks are doing the same pattern, break of the channel, trying to attempt a new low. So it just makes sense always technically of what is going on in the market. So That's all I have for Baba for this week. See you guys next week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.